Question 18 says you are to give one tablet labeled 0.6 milligrams and two tablets labeled 0.9 milligrams. Find the total dosage. So I have one labeled 0.6 and two labeled 0.9. So there's really two different ways to do this, and both ways are correct. So if you take 0.6 and add 0.9 to it twice, then you get 2.4 milligrams. The other way to do this is to take 2 times 0.9 to get 1.8, and then add that 1.8 to 0.6. And you also get 2.4. Question number 19 says the tablets available for your patient are labeled 5.2 milligrams, and you are to give 3.5 tablets. Find the total dosage. So I want to deal with decimals here, and I can change this fraction into a decimal by dividing the top by the bottom. So 1 divided by 2 is going to give you 0.5. If you know 1/2 is equivalent to 0.5, then you can just do that as well. So this is going to be 5.2, and I'm actually multiplying by 3.5. So the tablets are 5.2 milligrams apiece, and we're supposed to give 3.5 of them. So if you multiply them together, this gives us the answer, and that will be 18.2 milligrams.